Hello there everyone, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. I'm reaching out to you today because kailangan ko i-address tong important na issue that has recently come to my attention. Over the past few days, many of us, as a matter of fact, yung mga followers ko, kaibigan ko, mga kaipunaryo has messaged me regarding a fake ads and false information na nagsisirculate po, especially sa social media. Ang ginagamit po nila ay Facebook ads, kaya kahit na di mo ako fina-follow, lumalabas po siya using my name, my image, and my brand. First of all, let me say this, itong mga ads and messages na ito are completely false and fake. Ang mga scammers, they're trying to mislead and take advantage of people by pretending that I represent them, their business, I'm talking about them. Let me be clear that I have no connection to these ads or their offers. They are scams designed to take advantage of people who trust my name, and definitely I will not put any people to any misleads or harm, especially when it comes to money. So ano po nangyayari? Sa totoo lang, because of today's digital world, ang dami na pong mga AI, fake ads, scams, common na po siya. And then ginagamit na po talaga nila yung mga celebrities, mga kilalang mga tao para malabas po itong mga gusto nilang agenda. And then nakakalungkot na maraming nagtitiwala po sa atin pero nga nasisira po yung tiwala dahil sa mga maling information. So ang ginagawa po nga nila, they're creating mga fraudulent, and I want you to make sure na I'm doing this video right now to educate and inform you, and I don't want anyone to fall under these schemes. So ano bang ginagawa po namin ngayon? We've already made a public statement. We went to news agencies, gumawa na kaming mga videos, nagpa-interview na po ako.
Nagreklamo ang financial coach and advisor na si Chinky Tan ukol sa paggamit ng kanyang pangalan at mukha sa social media na inaakit ang mga tao sa isang cryptocurrency scam.
Nagbabala po ang financial coach at advisor na si Chinky Tan tungkol sa paggamit sa kanyang pangalan sa social media. Ginagamit daw ho ang kanyang pangalan sa mga pekeng balita at mga advertisement.
We're requesting them to take down the ads because it's fake news. They cut my name, my pictures, and with TV print, and then lumapit na rin kami sa Meta mismo to report these fake ads. Pero once na ang nangyayari po, pag nag-report kami, mati-take down, pero gagawa sila ulit ng panibago. Paikot-ikot lang talaga to. So I just want to educate you right now, kung kayo ay nakikinig ngayon, para hindi kayo ma-scam. Number one, how to spot them. I-verify nyo muna yung post. Kung ito ba ay galing sa ads. Kung ito ay galing sa ads, may pangalan yan, ang mangyayari po niyan, kahit na sino po ay makakakuha po ng source na ito. But make sure itong post na ito are coming from really social media accounts. Like for example, pag sinabing GMA News, pero ang dapat lumabas, GMA News yung URL. Pero kung makikita mo yung URL nandito po ay iba. Ito, papakita ko po sa inyo. Hindi ko na papakita yung buong pangalan, pero IK ang nakasulat dito. Tapos they made already, sinabi nga dito, the Central Bank of the Philippines. Wala nung Central Bank of the Philippines ngayon, kapatid. It's already called BSP. So, yun pa lang, maling-mali na. So, makikita mo, i-verify nyo muna. Number two, gumagamit din sila ng mga iba't ibang klaseng tao to give credibility. Ito makikita nyo. Imagine mo, si Mr. Ramon Ang, Karen Davila, Maria Reza, sinama na rin po dito na hindi naman po totoo. I personally have talked to Karen, and definitely I know na this is fake. And then next, you check mo yung offer. FYI, makikita mo itong offer pag pumunta ka doon. You can earn up to 45,000 up to 100,000 a day. Grabe naman. If it's too good to be true, it is false. Kung may mga ads po nagbibigay po ng mga malalaking promises, malalaking return, mag-ingat po kayo. Talagang mag-ingat po kayo. Maniwala kayo. Makikita nyo pag nag-invest kayo, makikita nyo dadami ang pera nyo pero hindi nyo mawi-withdraw yan. Pag at wi-withdraw nyo na, ang mangyari, ang daming hihingin po sa inyong pera. And last but not the least, I always conduct my business through official website and platforms. So kung meron kaming mga i-offer, check nyo lang. Hindi kami mag-endorse. We will not endorse any investment or platforms. Our goal is to educate. Nakakaawa nga Pati nga, di ba, Mr. Lance Gokong Wei, nagamit na rin po dito. Parehong-pareho. Sinabi niya, his microphone was on when he spoke. It's the same thing with me. And likewise, si Atom Araulio. Imagine mo, ito naman, being sued by Bank of Philippines. Bank of Philippines? Wala naman Bank of Philippines di ba? Kaya mag-ingat po kayo. So, this is my commitment to you. Rest assured that my team and I are working really hard to put a stop to these scams. Kasi ang mahalaga sa akin yung tiwala nyo at relationship that we've built through the years. And I will continue to take every possible step to protect that trust. Ang pinakamahalaga sa akin, kasi parati ko sinasabi at natutunan ko sa aking mentor, taon ang binilang mo para buuin ang iyong pangalan at reputasyon. information. Pero yun nga, minsan may mga magagamit, sisirain yung iyong na-build dahil lang sa mga ganitong gawain. I just want to assure you that we are doing what we can and we will never allow these scammers to damage that. So if you have any doubts or question or sa content, please reach out to us. Meron naman kaming official website. Maglalagay na rin kami ng email right now sa screen. No, pwede kayong mag-reach out sa amin sa social media account. Buti na lang may isang tao. Ito, si Kuya Rolando Reyes. Sinabi niya, magtatanong lang ako, totoo ba na sumali kayo sa nilagay nila tong platform na ito, hindi ko mention pangalan. O baka po naman ginagamit na picture at pangalan ninyo dahil nakita ko ito at balak ko din sanang mag-register kung totoo. Salamat ng marami, senior po ako. So guys, no, nag-reply naman ako, sinabi ko it's a fake, tapos pinadala ko yung mga announcement namin. It really pains me for, imagine mo senior citizen na maglalabas ng pera dito na maniniwala na akala talaga ay totoo, ang mawawala sa kanya 100,000. So ako ay nakikiusap po sa inyo kung kayo po ay galit kayo sa mga ginawang gawain. Ang tanong, paano kayo makakatulong? I need your help in reporting these fake ads. If any one of you come across any suspicious ads na lumabas using my name, please report them directly on the platform where you can see them or send us a message. The more we report, the quicker we can bring these scammers down. And isa pang request, meron po akong link na nilagay po dito na information. Kung gusto niyo i-share po to create awareness, no, just share this link about fake ads and then clickbait in order for people to be aware of this. So maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Please stay vigilant. Together we can put an end to these scams. Stay safe, stay informed, and reminder, trust only official sources. I-check nyo parati ang URL. Maraming salamat, and if you find this video really helpful to educate you to spot yung mga fraudulent and scams, please share this video with your friends so ma-educate din sila. Maraming salamat po.